Got my corn sticky thingies ready. Have you ever been to a barbecue restaurant where they serve you corn in those like paper cups and you just turn it around in that liquid gold? Oh my God, it is so good. It drips down your face. Hi, I'm Jill from thisoldgal.com, and today on In the Kitchen with Jill, I'm going to show you how to make pressure cooker corn on the cob with a flavor bomb. It's going to be equally as good as those restaurants, if not better. And it's so simple. There's only a few ingredients, and you're going to absolutely love this corn. I'll also show you how to make it the plain Jane way as well. But come with me and let me show you how this corn tastes with a big old flavor bomb. Here we go. And this is going to be the best corn you have ever had. So actually you can make it with the flavor bomb, or you can put the corn in with just the water. But you can also do it both ways for those who don't want it sitting in the liquid. You can add a trivet and put the corn on top for people who don't want the butter and the sweetness. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take a stick of butter, just like that, and put it right into the Instant Pot or pressure cooker. We're going to add in some sugar, which will add sweetness. We're going to add in some salt. Now, I generally don't like a lot of salt in my food, but with corn I love salt, so I'm adding an extra right now, just so I don't have to salt it in. Afterwards, you can add in as much as you want. To that, we're going to add, I know you like salt, to that we're going to add a cup of milk. Now, you can use milk, thank you, cream, or half and half. The higher the milk fat, the less of a chance you have of the milk getting funky and like foamy. If it does get foamy, don't worry about it, you just pull it off. Alright, now we're going to add the corn right in. Like that. Oh, it's fitting nicely. After you've added the cream or the milk or whichever you decide to use, you're going to want to add a little bit of water. So I'm just going to use the same measuring cup. Like that. I'm going to pour the water right into the pot. And that's all you do. So we're going to lock on the lid. And we're going to close the pressure valve. And we're going to come down and cook this for just 1 minute. Once it's finished cooking, we're going to wait 10 minutes and then we're going to release the pressure. So we'll be back. Alright, so the pressure has released on its own and we let it sit a little bit while longer. So remember, there may be some foamy stuff in there, there may not be. If there is, it's not a big deal. You just put some of the liquid over it and it'll get rid of it. Let's open up the pot, see how it looks. Looks good. Smell good?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to take out some of the corn. Whoa. It's really juicy. Oh, I can hardly lift it. It's really juicy. Alright, put it on the plate here. You can see there's a little bit of this weird looking stuff. That's fine. Just take a spoon and spoon over it. Not a big deal. If it grosses you out, take a paper towel and wipe it off. It doesn't bother us. It tastes wonderful. Okay. Put it all, soak it in there. Whoa. Like that, and one more. Roll it around. Put it on the plate. Try not to drop it on the plate. And what we like to do before we serve it is take some of the liquid, just pour it over. Like that. So it's sitting in it.
Buttery and milky.
Buttery. Yeah, buttery and milky, and it's all those things. It's all those things. Now you can serve it like this and have people take it, or you can take these little corn holders and go ahead and just put it in each side. Like that. Just roll it in there, roll it in there. It looks wonderful. I'm not going to take a bite because I'm going to make a huge mess. So this corn is perfect for your summer picnics, perfect for at home. You know, corn is very fresh and plentiful during the summertime. So if you want this corn in the wintertime, you can also buy frozen corn. It works just as well, right? We've done it with frozen.
And if you're like me, from Long Island, New York, known for its corn, this is good corn.
It's good like this. It's really good. It's a flavor bomb. You know, pair this with some ribs, pulled pork. It's great to have that with.
Hamburgers.
Hamburgers, pretty much anything. Some people just
barbecue. Anything on the barbecue.
anything on the barbecue, right?
Anything not on the barbecue.
Right. So thank you so much for joining us today on In the Kitchen with Jill. Make sure to click that button so that you get notified on YouTube. Oh yes, of course, thumbs up. I always forget that he does it, so it's cool. You can follow us on Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram as This Old Gal Cooks, and of course on Facebook at This Old Gal. I will put the recipe with the exact measurements on my blog, thisoldgal.com. And please visit, make this, and tell me how you love it. Thanks everyone. We will see you again on In the Kitchen with Jill. Have a wonderful day.
Was this a corny video, do you think? I don't know.